Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? Hope everyone is fine. Dear children, today we are going to recapitulate the vowel sounds, that is A, E, I. These all words we are going to recapitulate. Just see the sentences children. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. It's a sound word. H-A-S, has. Mat has a R-E-D, red. It's a E sound word. C-A-P, cap. Again, A sound words. So, Matt has a red cap. Matt is a name of a boy and he has a red cap. Okay. His. H-I-S, his. P-E-N, pen. It's a E sound word. P-E-N, pen. H-A-S, has. A. B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. It's a I sound word. N-I-B, nib. His pen has a big nib. His pen has a big nib. It's a I sound words. B-I-G, big. N-I-B, nib. Okay. Now see the next. He. H-E, he. H-A-S, has. He has a. B-A-T, bat. Again it's a sound word. He has a bat. The mat has a bat. He has a bat. The next. He. H-E, he. I-S, is. O-N, on. He is on. T-H-E, the. B-E-D, bed. Again, E sound word. He is on the bed. The mat is on the bed. He is on the bed. H-I-S, his. M-A-T, mat. His mat is big. His mat is big. B-I-G, big. I sound words. M-A-T, mat. Mat is a sound word. Now see the next. H-E, he. H-A-S, has. He has a. P-E-T, pet. He has a pet. What's the name of a pet? Dog. The mat has a pet. He has a pet. The next is his. H-I-S, his. C-A-N, can. His can. Can is again a sound word. His can has. H-A-S, has a. L-I-D, lid. See here, I sound word. Lid. His can has a lid. Let's recall again. Matt has a red cap. His pen has a big nib. He has a bat. He is on the bed. His mat is big. He has a pet. His can has a lid. Now, what we'll do here, we'll circle A, E, I sound words. There is a paragraph. We need to identify where is the A sound word, where is the I sound word, where is E sound word. We have to identify and we have to circle. Now see, M-A-T, mat. It's a sound words. We have to circle A sound. Now see, mat has a red cap. Red, R-E-D, red. It's a E sound word. Now again, C-A-P, cap. Again we are using here A sound word. Now see the next line. H-I-S, his. P-E-N, pen. His pen has a big, nip. Pen. Pen, we are using E sound word. So pen, big, here you are using B-I-G, big, I sound word. And again nip, N-I-B, nip. Again we are using I sound word. Now see, he has a bat. So where we have to circle? Bat. B-A-T, bat. It's a sound word. Now see the next. He is on the bed. B-E-D, bed. Again it's a vowel sound. Again it's a E sound word. Now see the next. His mat is big. M-A-T, mat. Again it's a A sound word. Now his mat is big. Big. B-I-G, big. Again it's a I sound words. Wherever A, E, I sound words we have to circle. Now see the next. He has a pet. P-E-T, pet. Again it's a E sound words. Now see the last. His can. C-A-N, can. Again it's a A sound words. So wherever A, E, I sound words are there, we have to circle. His can has a lid. L-I-D, lid. Again it's a I sound words. So today we have learned about A, E, I sound words sentences. Hope children you understand. Thank you.